So it's been about a week since I've posted anything, and there's a reason for that. I am recovering from a reverse total shoulder replacement, which is great fun. There's the bandage, and but it got me thinking about the intellectual property that's involved in a reverse total shoulder replacement. First of all, there's the know-how of the surgical team. These people know how to do this. They practice it. They have a way of doing it. They may have a shop-specific way of doing it, a hospital-specific way of doing it, a doctor-specific way of doing it. Secondly, there are the patents involved in the surgical instruments and in the implant itself and in the technique for doing a reverse total shoulder replacement. And then there are the trademarks that are involved in all of the above, because everything has a brand associated with it. And there's the copyright involved in the documentation and the scientific journals and the feasibility tests and the quality tests and all of the written documentation that surrounds a surgical procedure. There's a lot of IP that got embedded in my shoulder over the last week.